I mean, I totally didn't do that. Those boxes were there the whole time.
Hi.
What was I thinking? Because this is gonna make a huge mess. Hello everybody, I'm Barry, this is my dog Beans, and we're on an excellent adventure around the United States. Now we're off to Falling Waters, where ideally the only thing hitting the ground is water. Alright, we're leaving General Coffee State Park. It was a good one. I would definitely come back here, minus the shower situation. Got laundry, some good hiking trails, some good heritage stuff. So all in all, good trip. Today we're heading to Falling Waters State Park in Florida. So it's going to be about a 4-hour drive, plus a Walmart stop in Douglas, I believe. And see you when we get there. Alright, we're at Walmart, Douglas, Georgia. Alright, so Beans and I made it to Falling Waters State Park. It was a windy drive. We're here, we're set up, we're actually an hour behind, we're in Central Time now. I'm gonna get some dinner going in a little bit. And relax. Alright, let's give these grits a try. They're really easy to make. Boil some water, put them in a pot, and cover and simmer. Really easy. Good flavor. Kind of gritty. Let's try this Cajun chicken. It's got good flavor. The Cajun seasoning that I made was really good. I forgot to buy some while I was at Walmart, so I just made it. All right, let's try these Brussels sprouts. And I just blanched these, threw them in a pan with some ghee and then some of the Cajun seasoning that I made, and then threw in a strip of bacon at the end. So could use more seasoning, but pretty good. So it's kind of nuts that we drove 4 hours south today to get to Florida, and the high for tomorrow is 50, whereas the high yesterday in Georgia was 80. But it looks like Wednesday is going to get back to normal. It's going to be like high as 70, 75 the rest of the week. So that'd be cool. Beans and I are all settled in. Took a shower earlier and just enjoying a cup of tea and relaxing before bed. So I just booked a few campgrounds, one in Vermont and one in New Hampshire, and now I'm looking at Maine, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New Jersey, and Delaware, and Maryland. But I just did some thinking. So we're in Central Time now. We won't be back in the Eastern Time Zone until August, and it's February right now. That's kind of wacky to think about. Kind of wacky. So it's finally kind of warm again. It's like 55. I'm walking down to the waterfall and Sinkhole. So let's see what that's all about. So last night it got below freezing, so I had to unplug my water, and now I'm gonna go plug it back in again and maybe play with beans while we're out there. All right, so now that we're at Falling Waters, I think it's time to update our map. Let's put Florida on here. Up next will be Alabama, then Mississippi, Louisiana, Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, Nevada, Oregon, Washington, Montana, South Dakota, Minnesota, and then some other states that we've already done before. But you got to stay tuned. You got to be subscribed to see all of that. It's a beautiful morning here at Falling Waters State Park. Outside with shorts and a t-shirt, and it's 6 a.m. Gotta love it. All right, so my packages got delivered, so I'm gonna get the bike off the back and head there and pick them up. And in true camper fashion, one of my neighbors came over to help. There you go. That's not too bad. Pick up your packages. I think there's 4 of them.
1 second to grab my scanner.
Now I just have to get all of that into that. So I just dumped my boxes at that gas station behind me. I mean, I totally didn't do that. Those boxes were there the whole time. I think I have everything in my backpack secured, so let's see if we can make it back. It's only 3 miles. I should be all right, hopefully. All right, so I tied them. I don't know how well I did, but we should be all right. Let's give it a try. All right, well, I made it back, and it looks like so did everything else. So let's do a little bit of an unboxing and see what I got. It's a good thing this bag had little ties on it, otherwise it would have probably fallen out. Hi. So this is the Mahjong set that I just bought because someone I know is really into Mahjong and they got me into it. So I think these are my, what's it called? And then these are the tiles, I'm assuming. Ooh, I actually like that color. So if anyone wants to play some Mahjong with me, let me know. I also got a mat for Mahjong. I also got a gimbal for my phone so that I can get some steadier footage. And I got some cables, so I'll explain that in a second. And I almost threw these away because they were in the bottom of the box and I didn't remember them being there. But these are cards to play Mahjong. Those are the cards. So these cables I got because I wanted to get a hard drive for my computer So I ordered this. This came to the CVS by General Coffee, but I didn't realize that it's an internal drive. And I don't have any of the cables necessary to hook it up. I thought it was an external drive. I should have read better. But I'm going to try and hook that up, and hopefully I got everything I need now. I think the first step will be to take this power cable. It says it's for Corsair PCU. And plug that in. Alright, so next I need to plug the actual data cable into the motherboard. Okay, so that's in. Alright, put the cover on and fire it up, see what happens. Yeah, well, that's a good sign. Okay, moment of truth. Okay, so it sees it, so that's good. Use simple volume. Next. So we should be good now if I go here. Oh, there we go. Cool. Woke up this morning a little early, watching the beautiful sunrise. It's pretty amazing, actually. It's Friday morning. Kind of just really testing out this gimbal. I don't really know how exactly it works, but or like what functions to do, but it's kind of cool. All right, so my plan for this afternoon is to head up to the Wolf Preserve in Chipley. It's only a few miles away, and then on the way back, I'm going to stop at a cafe and pick up some food. And of course, after a 20-minute drive, I found out that I needed to make a reservation. I tried calling, but no one answered. All right, I'm at Katie's Cafe. I'm gonna pick up something for dinner. Hopefully something I can reheat later for dinner. Now the conundrum of the day is getting all that in here. I should have just gotten the car. What was I thinking? Because this is gonna make a huge mess. That bread pudding that I got is wet. Well, I thought it was all contained, but apparently not. So that's wonderful. So at Katie's, I got some smoked wings, some chicken tenders, and some tater tots. I also got some blueberry bread pudding, and that was by far the best part. The chicken tenders and tater tots were standard affair. I mean, you get them anywhere. The smoked chicken wings, I don't know if it was because I reheated them or what. I mean, I've tried to smoke chicken wings too, and this has happened, but the skin gets rubbery and tough. So that was a little off-putting. I would have liked it to be crispy. And I got those things because it was 3 o'clock and I wanted to eat later and I didn't want to eat there. So I knew I wanted to get things that I could reheat. So I ate half of that last night. Really yummy. There's some walnuts, blueberry jam. Yeah. So I'm getting ready to head to the Florida Caverns State Park. So stay tuned.
This area is directly connected to the Florida Aquifers.
Yeah.
So this is the Waterfall room. Reason it's called the Waterfall room, a number of those excavators from New York. So they saw this formation and reminded them of Niagara Falls. And just like how we're alive and we have a heart, our cave is alive and it has a heart. And the heart of the cave is right here.
So I ended up getting a t-shirt while I was there. And a magnet. Glare. All right, let's check out these bathrooms. Got 2 stalls. All encompassing. Changing area. And then on this side, there's a dishwashing sink. Some sinks. Stall. And some showers. Like a curtain. A changing area. And a door. So, all in all, pretty nice. Alright, that's enough fun for one episode. But before you go, if you enjoyed this one, give it a like. We really enjoy reading your comments, so let us know what you think. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to join the adventure. But until next time, stay excellent.